Good after morning, folks. We're about to check on my squash plants, the summer squash, the yellow ones. Yeah, you see the barrier on the outside. Critters were still digging up the fish anyway, even though the lime was on top of them. So I went ahead and just put the protective barrier around them, and that seems to be doing the trick. So you see here we have quite a few babies popping up. See that? I'm getting excited. Now I'm going to spray these with some BT Thuricide throughout their growing season, because I don't want any kind of caterpillars and worms and things tearing them up and killing them. Got to have some vegetables produced from these plants. Anyhow, it's about to get cold here, and it's approaching the middle of March 2022, and weren't expecting the cold to come like that, but you know, in March. But here it is. It's on our doorstep. So we'll see how cold it gets. We'll see if these plants survive. I think they will. I think they'll do just fine. You know, I'll keep you updated on the progress of these summer squash. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That helps the channel out quite a bit. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned because we got a lot more coming.